Amazon sellers, do not use this hack. You could lose your Amazon FBA privileges. So what am I talking about? For a while, Amazon's had inventory limits and restrictions, and a bunch of sellers have got a way around it. They found a hack, and that was simply to create a shipping plan and then cancel or delete it prior to the product arriving. Amazon sellers beware. Do not use this hack. Sellers have recently been trying to get around the inventory limitation and restrictions that Amazon's kind of put on everybody over the last few months. Anyways, what they've been doing is creating shipping plans, and then once they've set up the plan, they would cancel or delete it. Well, Amazon's caught on. Up until recently, Amazon would accept this extra inventory without a penalty. However, things are going to change. On April 22nd, 2022, Amazon's clamping down. So stop doing it. So like I said at the beginning, you could lose your privileges and the ability to store your products at Amazon. What do you think about this crackdown? Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.